Okay, this is the unboxing of the Happy Planner by Amy Tangerine that was just released. My box is upside down. I started doing this and realized that everything inside was upside down, so I'm going to start over. I got this a week or two ago and I have not opened everything yet, so we're going to open the box and see what's inside. I'm not sure who all uses Happy Planners. I'm kind of new to this. I have one that I don't use that often, but I love the stickers, which I use in my other planners. So this is all rainbowy and fun. This says happiness looks good on you. So we're going to open this up. I don't think there's an easy way to do this without tearing it. This right here says smile. It's a pop, I don't even know what these are called. Those things that go on the back of the phones. Pop sock, is that right? Smile in rainbow colors. So this is my Be Happy box by Amy Tangerine. This little card in here reveals all the goodness that's inside this kit. I'm so excited. So we've got a package of stickers, all kinds of fun stickers that I'll be using, Happy Planner stickers in the Be Happy box, washi tape. I don't know if I'm going to open every one of these because I've only got a few minutes to do this. I've got 3 rolls of washi tape, Craft a Life You Love. These look like flip cards, so I can put this on my desk and flip. Oh, it's a calendar. Yay, it's a little desk calendar. How fun. And this kit starts in, I believe, July. Yeah, July, and goes through December of 2020. So there's a little desktop calendar. These are some dividers. It looks like there's a couple of them in here. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. These are some pages that go inside. These are, looks like extra big ideas. So, and this is the Happy Planner. This is just a regular size Happy Planner. I've got some scissors here so I can cut this open. Starts in July. Ooh, how was that for a fun ride? I'm new at this videoing, so you know, I'll be messing up. It's got my dividers for every month. Pretty rainbow colors. This is Amy Tangerine. This is her writing. And I've got full month in view and then my weekly, which I love. I love this format. It's the best ever. And look at all the bright, fun colors. Look at the rings. Look at the rainbow rings. Isn't this a fun, happy? Yes, that's why it's called the Happy Box. So, anyway, there's that. And look at this. A tote bag. Create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. Plan a happy life. Isn't that fun? A big tote bag to tote all my fun stuff in. So there you have it. My Happy Box starts in July. I'm going to start using this planner. That's my goal. We'll see how that goes. With all these fun rainbowy things to add rainbow and joy to my life. If you want one, go check it out. I'm not sure if they're in stores yet, but I ordered this from their website when it first was released, and it looks like a whole lot of happy.